Hello guys, in this video I will show you how can we enable the developer tab and also how can we use macro in Excel. So first let me enable the developer tab. Here there is no developer tab, so go to the file options and customize ribbon. Here you will see the developer, tick this option and hit OK. So once you hit OK, you will see the developer tab here. Okay, so how can we use the macros in VS? So it's just like a recording. For example, I hit record macro, okay, and I put the name, for example, data. I said okay, so this is my macro name. So now it's recording. I didn't press stop recording now. Okay, I will go to the home and I will create something. For example, I create some exotic and I write tech and I give some numbers, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something, and tech maybe science, bio, chemistry, and some blah blah blah. You can do something. Okay, so I just make some table. For example, I want to do some changes. For example, I want to put some color here. Exotic is this and this color is white. Okay, and maybe it is not looking good, but you can select whatever you want. For this I select, for example, yellow, or I want to do something here. Let's take silver. Okay, so this is my color. And also, like, I want to make this thing bold, or I want to make something like maybe italic something. Okay, and I want to create another table. Let's see. I don't want to create any table. I just want to write like happy Excel. Okay, so now I make this is bold and I increase the font size, and also I want to change the color. For example, I put green here and here also green. Okay, so now what I will do, I will hit Control and Enter key. Control Enter means it will execute. I hit once, Control execute after doing all these changes. Now what I will do, I will go to the developer tab and I will hit stop recording. So it was recording what I was doing. So now, for example, I have to create thousands of the Excel sheet with this information. So I don't need to do all these steps always. I just record it once and I will do the changes afterwards. Once I'm done with the changes, I will stop macros. Now what I will do, for example, I want to create another sheet and I have to do everything there. I will just go to the macros. I will select my data, which this is my macro. I will hit run. See, everything is there. Like sheet 1 has whatever the information is in sheet 1 is also in my sheet 1 too. I can rename this sheet whatever I want to name. Everything you can do. So this is the advantage of macro. Just write once and use it as many as time you want to. So I hope you like this video. If you have some query, don't forget to comment. I will surely help you out. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Stay tuned.